Guys, look what we got in the mail. Oh, I'm excited. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. See what we got. Radio. Car. Manual, tools, some extra parts and pieces. And decal kit. I'm going to use this. Let's open up this radio, huh? Fuel cans, jack, tire, tools, some type of ramp system. Oh, it is. It's ramps. Oh, that's cool. We got hooks. Oh, look at that old metal. Nice and smooth. A hitch, more hooks, skid plates. Man, these are some nice tires, aren't they? Real grippy and soft. Alright, enough of that. Mirrors, twist, and adjust. Snorkel. These fender guard things. Alright, let's see what's under the hood. Oh, there's the beauty of it. It's Velcro. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. We'll find out. We get a body mount. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, and it comes with a battery too. Now this is the Pro. So the Pro comes with this. And there's the stickers. And then there's your top side and front and rear view. This is what the Pro comes with, that the regular Sport doesn't. And also a battery, from what I understand. So, we got this really cool body prop. Let's see if we can put this away. And we get this style of battery connector. I don't really use those, so we'll probably change it. ESC, look at this gearing. That thing's gonna be slow, but hey, that's okay. Super excited about, even though it's kind of cheap, it's already locked. That's cool. adjustable bumpers. And these shocks are oil filled and adjustable and aluminum. And these are steel plastic drive shafts. It's got a pretty steep angle right there. I'm wondering if that thing's going to break. See if we can get that focused in. That's a pretty steep angle. But let's charge this battery up. Throw it in there and see what it does, huh? Alright. Power it on. Oh! Look at that steering. It's awfully slow to me. And it doesn't turn very far. I don't know about that. Let's set up a quick course and see what it does. I guess that'll be the true test. One hand of God. It's two hands of God. Three hands of God. Four hands of God. Five hands of God. Five hands of God. See how fast it goes. Appropriate speed for a car, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. Also, it's almost like a real car.
Well, they're kind of scale.
And they're kind of slow.
Well, that's okay. You don't need speed to go over objects.
You need to take your patience and be slow.
That's right. Take your time.
It's easy, but going fast is not.
Uh-oh.
Unless you're stuck. Whoa, it's close.
Guys, overall, so what do I think? First off, I think with the steering going only that much, after I made that small modification, it goes that much, that's better, but it's still, it's not very good. Other than that, with the new stickers, I think it looks really good. And I do like this body mount system. I thought I wouldn't like it all. I think that's pretty cool. With the inner fender mud guards, I did lift it. I moved the shocks from the upper pin to the lower pin because these tires were actually hitting the body. Now they don't as much. So for a cheap crawler, I think it's pretty cool. Although I do have some pretty cool plans coming up for it. I got some pretty sweet parts ordered. That'll be in a later video. And I'm actually going to take it outside into the trails. That'll be in a later video too. We'll see what it does out in the wet and see how it's going. Also, I think these tires are super grippy and awesome. I don't think there's enough weight up front. I think it needs a little more. When it goes up an incline, it wants to tip over. But I also think the approach angles could be better, as well as the departure angle. I think this sticks down too far. I think if this was moved up, where the bottom of the bumper was at the bottom of the body, I think it'd be a million times better. And I think if this lower portion of the bumper was only right here, it'd be a lot better as well. Short of that, I think it's a really good truck for nothing. It's a super cheap truck compared to a TRX4 or SCX10 or some of them other ones, but I think I can make it just as good for still a fraction of the cost.